Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a high ponytail and then we are going to apply rubber band at the topmost part of it, then making a space in between and then passing the second layer in that, repeating the same steps again and again till this braid is formed. Next, we are going to take some hair from the front and then applying this beautiful rubber band to our ponytail. Then we are going to make a braid at the front hair and then we are going to take the ponytail we've made and start making this braid by taking hair from the back one by one till you get this type of effect done, and then we are going to take all the remaining hair and then joining the braid with that. Next we are going to use this elastic band for making our hairstyle. First we are going to apply it on our hair and then making this ponytail. Next we are going to divide our hair in two sections. We are going to make a ponytail with the big one and then taking the below ones and making 3 braids with that and joining it to the ponytail. Then we are going to twist the ponytail and converting it into this round bun and joining it with the rubber band.